Hello guys, Steven here. I will be holding a conference in late February and I will be giving out the strategies that made me over 8 figures between 2020 to 2022 and also some updates about the strategies that I created back in 2018 to 2019. Of course, the market condition has changed. And also, I will be giving out a discount for Trader's Edge, which is the upcoming new course. There's only going to be discount for this conference specifically. And if you're interested, make sure to join the conference, and it's going to be a very interesting time to learn about strategies that's going to play out in the slow market, and also we are going to review when the market comes back, just like 2021.
I knew of Dux before, just YouTube videos, and my sister has been trading stocks for well over 12 years and she knew about him. So once I saw him do his guest speaking at Triforce conference, I was like, wow, this stuff makes sense. It'd be something that I would approach if I were to, know that much about the stocks and build my own pattern types of things. I like Steven because I'm an engineer myself, so I have the same like-minded with him. I like how transparent he is. He has backed all his strategies up with data, statistical data, and he, with the Freedom Challenge, which I'm a part of, he lines out like all his different patterns, all the tickers that he trades with it, and you could essentially look at each one and see the strategy play it over and over. And he has winning percentages on each one, and it's been verified, very transparent. I think that with especially new traders, I think you're in a prime spot to actually trade for reasons that he teaches you the right way to trade. Instead of trading 10 times over and you're trading on indicators and stuff like that, and finding the sum of your trades, this is concrete strategies that play out maybe a few times a week, and you really size in hard when it happens and make profits that way instead of trading all the time. Everything's backed up with statistics. You don't need necessarily years of experience in order to get fluency behind it. You can spend a chunk of your time, a healthy chunk of your time, understanding the content, reviewing it over and over until you gain that fluency, and then from there, size in.